Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're touring another great Colonial here in West Bloomfield. This one is brand new to the market. You see I'm standing right inside here of the maroon door. This is a 2,500 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. Basement is partially finished. Got a pretty good sized lot, 3.35 acre, 2-car attached garage. So let's take a look. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you. This one's asking $675. Water's gonna run down on the property, so it's a good thing for the elevation, for the foundation. Really open, really nice high ceilings. Very modern with the white and black, and right off the rip here, off the front door, you have a very nice large bonus room. High ceilings here as well. Good office. Library, sitting room. Could make it into a bedroom if you wanted. Like the railings here as well. Nice fireplace, really open here. Powder room. A little bit of gold in here. Still carrying mostly the white and black theme. So the seating area. It's a good sized room. A little split up with this wall here, but you have this nice big space for your formal dining, and really could do some other things down that way as well. This one does have a first floor master. Cathedral ceiling with the ceiling fan. Looks good. Decent size. I like the bathroom and closets in this bedroom. Continuing with the gold theme in here. It's a nice vanity. I do like that window. You just have to fog it out or make it private. So you have opening here. An opening here. Might want to do something here. Put like a piece of glass that way or something. It's interesting. It's definitely a more unique design. Laundry room. So it's a standard 2-car really. You got a little bit of room here. This room might be, you could fit 2 side by side here, but it might be a good spot for just the 1 unit if you want to put a little storage here. Maybe, I mean, above is easy. That's the other side there. The kitchen. Nice kitchen. Decent sized island. Stainless steel appliances. Not a huge kitchen, but it's good. It's got enough space. Little corner there. Let's go check out the basement. It's like you can drywall. You can leave the walls like this if you want. This just sucks. These are in the middle. I also don't love the carpet around them. You're gonna get a little moisture here, it's inevitable. Maybe unless they put a pan under there. But it just sucks when they're in the middle, because you just kind of have to build around them. This is a good open space though. A little bit of room, otherwise you might have to expand the panel if you had too much more. Not bad space though. Good sized basement with the first floor master bedroom. Adds more living area down here. All right, so we're at the upstairs portion now. Have the additional 2 bedrooms up here. Say up top. Actually good sized rooms. And let's get to the bathroom here. I like these mirrors. Looks like one of the speakers. The Bluetooth there, it's a nice exhaust. Good shower, nice insert, plenty of room. Again, good sized room. Not quite the walk-in like the other room, and this one is a little smaller. I do like those hidden registers as well, it's a nice touch. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Please reach out if you have any questions, if I can be of any assistance. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.